The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Greene County and west central Ohio until 8:15 p.m. At 7:46 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Paintersville, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Locations in the path of the storm include Jamestown. In addition, Fowlersville, Bell Center, Rosemead, and Gladstone are near the path of this dangerous thunderstorm. If you are near the path of this storm, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Mobile homes and vehicles should be abandoned for more substantial shelter. Avoid windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Thursday evening for southeastern Indiana and west central Ohio. A tornado watch also remains in effect until midnight Friday morning for southeast Indiana and northeastern Kentucky and southwestern Ohio.